lahat daw mga kapatid, meron kami dito sabi. Sabi ni Punam, lahat daw ng mga kapatid, meron kami dito sabi. Kaya nga, tinatranslate ko na nga siya lang siya MCC, lagi ko siya tinatranslate. 8 viewers, mega love shoutout. Good morning guys, good morning. Mega love shoutout everyone. Thank you for supporting my live guys. Thank you, thank you. Sabi ni Punam na, hindi, okay, hindi daw lagi siya. Kaya nga, hindi ko ma-translate kasi ang bilis ng comment. Kaya nga, thank you Punam Ray. Tinatranslate ko siya dito teka lang. Yung brother daw niya yung nagsusupport na isa. Thank you, supporting, thank you. Thank you also, Punam Ray. Hindi country nila. Oh. It's from the India. Please, MCC from India. Freddy No Agraes. Hello. Good morning, Freddy. Hola. Hello, baby daw niya ako. Hello, good morning. Good morning, Freddy. Mega love shout out to you. Thank you so much. Te amo. I don't understand your te amo. Oh, no. Thank you, Freddy. Hello po ng... Wow, ang galing yung MCC app kay Sehain. Yan. Ang dami yung beso. No. Send me a kiss. Oh, no. MCC, send mo daw siya ng kiss. Oh, sabi ni Sir Freddy. Yeah, 4 viewers, mega love shout out. Yeah, thank you so much. Oh, God, no. I'm here, brother. Yan. MCC said po naman, nandyan pa raw siya. Ano daw, please? Ano daw, supportahan mo daw siya. MCC. Punam. Ano yun? Ano yan, MCC, ala? Buti MCC, marunong ka niya ng words nila. Thank you, MCC. Telma Lifestyle, may Sir Katano TV, Sir Brian Buna, thank you so much for coming to my live also. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, MCC. Punam Ring, thank you so much. Freddy, thank you so much. Solo is uno. Yes, and only one. Guys, please support Punam Ray, guys. Also, MCC TV Vlogs. And Katano TV and Telma Lifestyle. Yan. Punam Ray, MCC TV Vlogs, Telma Lifestyle, and Katano TV, and she and he, my friend. There are my friend. Alam mo yan, nawawala talaga ako. MCC brother, hello. Case. Ayan. Yeah. She also my friend, Punam Ray. si MCC TV Vlog.